From the instantly recognisable opening bars...
You can get it sliding.
...to John Mellion's ochre voiceover.
Matter of fact, I got it now.
It's little wonder this vintage VB jingle has become Australia's most iconic beer commercial. Now the audio's scored a hard-earned spot in the National Film and Sound Archive's Sounds of Australia collection.
While this is an advertisement and it is to sell a commercial product, it also captures, I guess, a particular aspect of Australian life. That audio of John Million has been used and reused continuous, really since 1968.
It's an iconic ad, iconic father, iconic voice. So, yeah, it was great. I think he'd be pretty happy.
The catalogue started in 2007 and sees judges select 10 audio recordings each year from hundreds of public nominations. All are at least 10 years old, have cultural and historical significance and inform or reflect life in Australia.
Significance isn't necessarily popularity. The opportunity for Sounds of Australia is also to bring some of these significant recordings to wider knowledge and hopefully to become a bit more popular.
So the last known recording of this now extinct microbat, the Christmas Island pipistrelle, made the cut this year, as did Nova Peris's inaugural speech to Parliament. And pop culture still features with the Doctor Who theme music, composed by Australian Ron Grainer in 1963. And Tina Arena's Chains, gaining national treasure status 30 years after it was released as the lead single on her 1994 album Don't Ask.
I'm in chains.
The collection now holds just shy of 200 recordings, and you can get it when computing, you can get it while commuting, via the NFSA website. Emmy Groves, ABC News, Canberra.